Yes. Since the late 1990s, the internet has developed massively and is now a major opportunity for every single business and organization in the world. This is only going to get better in the coming years. You can benefit by using websites and social media to achieve almost any objective. You are able to present your story to your contacts and visitors in multiple formats. The internet has truly become a multimedia platform where you can get across your projects, ideas, objectives, and sell your products or services. In this training, I run through the key parts of an online business system that can be adapted for any business, activity, or objective. Once you fully understand all the moving parts of an online automated system, you can apply it to your own objectives. One of the most common being making money, of course. This money can be used in many ways, including supporting charity or other social or community groups. The action steps. Here are the key steps that we'll be discussing in your action plan of this training. Action step 1, choose a niche subject. Action step 2, targeted traffic. Action step 3, online capture of leads. Action step 4, give a gift. Action step 5, automatic email delivery. Action step 6, products. Action step 7, getting paid. Action step 8, your primary activity is marketing. And action step 9, get a domain name and hosting. Before we start, I'd like to give you some background information that will put these action steps into context, and that will help you to get your mind organized in the best possible way. A little background. This training has been created by Carl Henry. He has worked from home, building multiple businesses in 39 different industries since 1978, and he has been earning money online since 1998. He lives and works internationally. The aim of this training is to give you the information you need in the shortest possible time, with the least number of words, so you can get started taking action immediately. In other words, I want to give you quality, not quantity. This training is focused on building online business systems and websites, from the initial idea to creating and appreciating asset that you own. If you already have a website, this training can still help you if you want to start or build your online income and have your website carry out a lot more automated marketing and sales tasks for your business or organization. All the key steps about starting an online business are covered. Although some subjects are only explained in overview, because they require entire publications of their own to fully understand them. The good news is that I have either already published detailed training on these subjects, or we will include bonus information to fill in detailed knowledge. If I have missed anything or you have additional questions, send me an email to onlinesuccess@carlhenryglobal.com. I will send you the information you need, and I will probably create video training to cover the subjects that you have asked about.